Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the AI-powered key influencer visual in Power BI. Building this visual is child play, but the important thing is understanding when to use and what type of data analysis it support. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me show you the data table first. So this is the customer purchase data actually. If you can see the customer ID, age, gender, product category, delivery time in days, product quality, price range, purchase frequency, and customer satisfaction. So you can see the customer satisfaction, yes and no. So actually, I want to identify what are the factors involved in achieving the customer satisfaction rating as a yes or no. So if I will tell you to let me know what are those factors which involve in getting the customer satisfaction rating as a yes, it is very difficult. Lot of dax is required, lot of visual is required. So here the key influencer will pick the visual come into a picture. So let me go back to the report and we will add the key influencer visual and we'll see how it helps. So in the Power BI gallery, here you can see the key influencer visual. So let me add this to the report page. I will increase the height of this visual. And here you can see the analysis. Okay. And this is explained by. Analyze basically. Analyze and explain by. And now from the data table, so on what I want to analyze the factors on customer satisfaction. So I will add a customer satisfaction here in the analyze and explain by. I will add all the columns: age, sum, delivery, gender, price range, product, frequency, and all that. And here just I will say I don't summarize this, and delivery time also don't summarize this, and purchase of frequency don't summarize this. Okay. Now key influencer visual is ready. Now let me select yes first. So these are the two factors to achieve the customer satisfaction rating as a yes. So delivery time in days goes down 4.37%. If the delivery time is less than 4.73%, so this is the main factors to achieve the customer satisfaction rating as a yes. Here it is a 57.55% likelihood. And the another factor is price range should be a low. Okay. So now currently this is selected. So as you can see 0 to 4, there is a high customer satisfaction rating. On a y-axis, you can see the customer satisfaction rating percentage, and on the this delivery time in days on the x-axis. So 0 to, if you can see here, 0 to 4, very high customer satisfaction rating. Let me check this, the price range. If I'll click on this, so you can see the if the price is a low, then higher customer satisfaction rating, and if price is the medium, then little lower than this actually. Now this is the actually high level actually. Now we'll go more in detail. So you have to click on the top segment. So this the customer satisfaction rating is further divided into a four segment. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first segment 90 customer satisfaction rating is 92.3%, and this satisfaction is yes, and 92.3%. The population count is 93. It is a very small data set actually. So the population count, the number of record is 39. Similarly 9.3%, the customer satisfaction rating, the record is 31. So now we'll click on each segment. Now let me click here and we will see the factors actually. So delivery time is less than or equal to 1, and the gender is female, and the price is low. So the 92% customer satisfaction rating is, these are the three factors actually. And here you can see again 92% customer satisfaction is yes, and it is holding the data of 64%, and the average is 28. Here it is also showing the same thing. This is the actually in the pie chart. And if you want to see the more in detail, so just you have to click here and you will see the age wise. So if I will select this one 30, so you can see the higher customer satisfaction, yes, the age group is 30. Okay, the similarly the product, the furniture, the higher customer satisfaction rating. And let's check the toy, the higher customer satisfaction rating for toys also, and sims for electronics also. So now similarly for the purchase frequency, if you click on this 90.3% segment, you will see the different factors. Delivery time is less than or equal to 1. This is similar to the previous one. Here gender is the male, the price range is low. Okay, so this will give you the more detail about the data, and this kind of analysis is called as a exploratory data analysis, EDA. If you don't know what is exploratory data analysis, I will leave the link in the description box of this video. So please check this out. Now we'll back to the key influencer, and if you can see from here, you can not only customer satisfaction, the customer, those who are not satisfied and giving the rating no, you can select and you can also identify. So the delivery time is more than 4.73%, the price range is high. So these are the two factors. If I'll click here, you can see the this visual. If I'll click here, you can see the higher, the no is, if the price range is higher, the no is also higher. So medium and low and all this. And it also further divide into a segment, only one segment, 100%. So let's check this one also. So delivery time is the greater than 3. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.